Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. By the name of Allah, I'm your English teacher Abdurrahman al-Zu'bi at Rيماس International Academy. Today we will start with the first rule for the 7th grade الصف السابع إن شاء الله, Unit 6, which is past simple be with the verb be and the verb can. Let's start our lesson. طبعا احنا in page number 51, صفحة 51. Listen to the dialogue and then find examples of be and can. طبعا dialogue, which means حوار. Tom and Kathy. Tom: Hi Kathy, are you having a good holiday? And we have here are. Kathy: Yes, we are in Abu Dhabi now with Uncle Jack. Yes, we are. Tom: Were you there last weekend? Kathy: No, we weren't. We're not. We were in Dubai. Tom: What was it like? Kathy: It was amazing. On Saturday we were at the Emirates Towers, أبراج الإمارات. They are two of the tallest buildings in Dubai. Full stop. They are. We had dinner in the hotel restaurant on the 5th floor. إذا احنا يعني أكلنا العشاء على الطابق ال50 في البرج. Tom: Really? What could you see? What could you see? Could. Kathy: We could see the skyscrapers along the Sheikh Zayed Road, but we couldn't see anything else because they are so high. They are so high. Done with it? Okay. Before we start with the question, exercise number 2, let's move to summary that I have finished. Past simple with the verb be. The form of the verb, شكل الفعل be في الماضي البسيط. Affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form. Affirmative form اللي هو الشكل المثبت. We start always with subject اللي هو الفاعل. طبعا إذا كان subject singular, if we have a singular subject we use was, and if we have a plural subject we use were. Plus complement of the sentence, full stop. Move to the negative form, الشكل المنفي. We start with subject plus wasn't or weren't, whether the subject singular or plural. If it's singular we use wasn't, if it's plural we use were not, and we can say was. أو اللي هي were. Interrogative form اللي هو شكل الاستفهام. We start with subject أو where حسب الفاعل اللي هو subject plus complement of the question، وأكيد راح ننتهي في question mark. أكيد إحنا دائما إذا بلشنا في auxiliary جوابنا لازم يكون short، يعني لازم يكون في عنا short answer اللي هي yes or no. yes على سبيل المثال yes he was، أو yes she was، yes they were. ما بصير نحكي was. ونفس الاشي no she wasn't، no they weren't. full stop. اوكي نروح للإكزامبلز. number 1 he was in the hotel in the school عفوا. He was in the school. He singular. We use was. She was tired. She was tired. The next one. They were on a trip. They were on a trip. Number 4. He wasn't in the market. He wasn't in the market. 5. We weren't at home. We weren't at home. We استخدم الها weren't. The next one. Was Salam a student at Rيماس International Academy or at Rيماس Academy? Yes, she was. أو بنقدر برضو إذا كانت no she wasn't. She wasn't. أو yes, she was. Number 7. Were you on holiday? No, we weren't. Yes, we were. Done with it? Move to past simple with the verb can. طبعا هون احنا بنحكي عنهم اكيد هم ك main verb فعل رئيسي. فعل رئيسي. past simple اللي هو can. The form of the verb can. Affirmative form, negative and interrogative form. Affirmative form we always start with the subject الفاعل followed by could. وكود دائما لازم يتبعها base form فعل مجرد يعني ما بيصير أضيف له اس ما بيصير أحطه تصريف ثاني أو تصريف ثالث اللي هو past participle الشكل الرئيسي للفعل plus complement و full stop. Negative form we start with subject could not أو couldn't base form plus complement of the sentence و full stop. إذن we start with subject طبعا هنا whether the subject is singular or plural we use could أو couldn't يعني in the negative form. Interrogative form we start with could followed by the subject اتبعها subject plus base form فعل مجرد plus complement of the question و question mark. Our answer اللي هي short answer could be اللي هي yes or no. Yes, she could. Yes, they could. Yes, we could. No, we couldn't. No, she couldn't. No, he couldn't. Or no, I couldn't. Move to the examples. I could finish this report. I could finish this report. Or I couldn't finish this report. He could swim well. He could swim well. Number 3. Could you help me? Could you help me? Yes, I could. Or no, I couldn't. Last one. They couldn't see the Dead Sea because it was dark. They couldn't followed by see. Swim. Finish. Help. والبيس فورم للفعل يكون فعل مجرد. Okay, done with it. Okay. Move to exercise number 2. Complete the table with past simple forms of be and can in the dialogue. Okay, past simple with be, affirmative. I, he, she, it was in London. Was in London. Okay. إذا number one اللي هي أكيد was in London. Number two, you عفوا we, you أو إذا بلش ليها ب they were. Number three, negative form. I, he, she, it wasn't in Dubai. Number four, we, you, they weren't. Number five, interrogative and short answers. Was he in Dubai? And we start with was he in Dubai? Yes, he was. Or no, he wasn't. No, he wasn't. 8. Were you in Dubai? Were you in Dubai؟ ليش استخدمنا where؟ لأنه حكالي you. you زي ما اتفقنا نستخدم لها where. he نستخدم لها was. Nine. Yes, we were. Number 10. No, we were not. Done with it? Okay. Past simple with can, affirmative, I, he, she, it, we, you, they. نستخدم لهم أكيد can. عفوا could اللي هي I think 11. Number 12. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. Negative form. Interrogative and short answers اللي هي إذا بلش لي في السؤال فراغ I, he, she, it, we, you or they. See it. You see it. 14. Yes, she could. أكيد اللي هي no, she. هنا بوكس اللي هو look out note. We always use a base form after could زي ما اتفقنا could followed by base form. C. We always use a base form after could, not an infinitive with to. يعني ما بيصير أحكي مثلا على سبيل المثال he could to see it. ما بيصير. تمام. اوكي. exploit حكينا وهو هون عندنا exercise number 1. Complete the sentences with was, were, wasn't or weren't. اللي هو exercise number 1. The first one is done. They were at school, but they weren't in the classroom. They were at school, but they weren't at school. Number 2. I فراغ at home. طبعا خلص مجرد ما شفت I أنا راح يكون عندي خيارين. احنا هون عنا اللي هم 4 خيارات، أكيد راح يصير عندي خيارين فقط اللي هم was or wasn't. طبعا هون خلينا نكمل. I فراغ at home on Saturday. On Sunday morning I was on holiday. إذا I wasn't at home on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. 4. You فراغ at the art gallery. Where were you? You weren't. The weather فراغ very nice yesterday. It was wet and cold. إذا wasn't very nice yesterday. Next one. We at the cinema last night. The film was great. We were. 7. My grandparents teachers, they were doctors. My grandparents weren't teachers, they were doctors. ما كانوا معلمين، كانوا أطباء. 8. Our last lesson فراغ geography. It was maths. إذا our last lesson wasn't geography, it was maths. Exercise number 2. Write sentences about the people below. Use could and was. Use could and was. The first one is done. The first one is done. I will read it. Badia sign. Could run marathons when he was 3. When he was 3. The second one. Maria Maria Sharapova could play tennis. طبعا هي هاي لاعب تنس معروفة. play tennis when she was 4. Yes, 4. هي ألمانية. Number 3. Vanessa May could play the violin and piano when she was 5. When Number 4. Michelle Schumacher Michelle ما خير. could drive when he was 4. The last one, number 5. Sergey Karian could play chess when he was 4. Could play when 4. 4. Know that. يعني نرفع على هون هيك شوي. Done. Move to exercise number 3. Sorry. Oh. Oops. تمام. خلاص يا حلو. Move to exercise number 3. Write sentences with couldn't and the phrases in the box. The first one is done. Number 1. I couldn't go to school because I was ill. I couldn't go to school because I was ill. Number 2. I couldn't read my book because it was dark. I couldn't read my book because it was dark. Number 3. She couldn't swim because the water was very cold. She couldn't swim because the water was. 4. We couldn't eat our dinner because we weren't hungry. Eat our dinner because حكينا because we weren't very Number 5. They couldn't لا عفوا I couldn't speak to Kevin because I speak Kevin because because he wasn't home. He wasn't home. The last one, I think. No, number 6. They couldn't play tennis because wet. Yes, it was wet. Oh, because the weather was very cold. يعني I think it was wet يعني. I couldn't sleep because I couldn't sleep because why؟ ليه مش عارف انام؟ Because I wasn't tired. Okay. Because I wasn't tired. تعبانين برضو بالنهار على فكرة. بس أوكي. عادي. Number 8, the last one. They couldn't drive because they weren't 17 years old. They drive because they weren't 17 years. Done. Exercise number 3. Move to exercise number 4. Write questions and true answers. Write questions and true answers. نبلش فيهم. One is done, I think. Yes. طيب. Can you read 4? Could you read when you were 4? We can answer yes, I could, or no, I could not. Number 2. Could you write your name when you were 2? When you were 2. جاوب. يعني سنتين. I don't think. No. Didn't. Or yes, I could. Number 3. Could you walk when you were 1? Could you walk? You walk when you when you were 1? Yes, I could. 4. Count to 10. Could you count 10 when you were 3? Could. Number 5. Could you speak English when you were 9? Yes. نحكي we could. Next one. Could you ride bike when you were 10? Number 7. Could you swim when you were 4? No. Not. نقدر نجاوب برضو. Yes. Done with it. تمام. Exercise number 5. Ask your partner the questions in exercise 4. Tell the class. We will discuss it in our class inshallah. Now we finish our lesson. See you in the next time. Goodbye, my dear students. Bye bye.